I am in Memphis, Texas, and I wanted to do a real-world fuel mileage. So we filled up in Raton, New Mexico, and I recorded how many gallons, how many miles. So I am going to fill up right now here in Memphis, Texas, at a Lowe's, obviously. So we will, let me fill up, let me do all of the calculations, and as you can see, the Leisure Travel Van says I'm getting about 16.4 miles to the gallon on the computer. Let's see how accurate it is, and if I'm getting better or if I'm getting worse than what the actual computer says. So let's fill up. So let's talk a little bit about this biodiesel. So Mercedes really wants you to be at about 5%. This says up to 15%, which I'm not real happy. Usually Love's has really good quality fuel. So I'm kind of surprised to see this. It's not a huge deal because we are going to be driving for another 4 hours. So it'll definitely burn all of this off and burn all the particulate off. But anyway, if you can get about 5%, biodiesel, and that way, you know, you're good. And so here we are, 20 gallons, $70.45. Diesel was $3.44 a gallon. One of the things I like to do is like the fast lane truck guys do on YouTube when they're doing their fuel test for their trucks. Always wait 30 seconds after it kicks off by itself, and then kick back on. We've got about 10 more seconds. Here we go. All right, put in about half a gallon. Okay, I filled up at Raton. It was 6,450 miles with 16.96 gallons. I don't think that's relevant, but 6,450 miles. So let's see then what this is going to do. So 6,784 miles minus 6,450 miles. That is 334 miles. All right, 334 miles divided by 20.882 gallons is 15.99 miles per gallon. All right, so the trip computer estimated about 16.4 miles to the gallon. Real world was 15.99. That's not too terribly far off. I thought it was going to be a little more of a discrepancy, up to a mile a gallon discrepancy, but half of a mile per gallon, not too shabby. So 16 miles to the gallon, basically, from Raton, New Mexico to Memphis, Texas, 334 miles. I can live with that. So if this is your first time on the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. We're always talking about leisure travel vans. We really try to talk about our experience with ours, as well as try to help people make good choices on which RV to get. And we love our leisure travel van. So if you're looking, I highly suggest a leisure travel van. So anyway, we'll see you next time.